Hey everyone, let's make a Raspberry Gin Seltzer using this epic seltzer from Moondog Brewer called Fizzer. It's strawberry and cream flavour and this is off its head. If you really like the Chupa Chup strawberries and cream, this tastes exactly like it. I'm not even gonna lie, it's so good. Anyway, let's get into this cocktail. Alrighty, so with this cocktail, we start off with like a jar or like a big kind of glass for this one because we are going to put a fair bit of liquid in it. We're going to use raspberries. You can use them fresh. I chose frozen today because I'm going to keep this drink nice and cold. So about that much, maybe a little bit more. A couple of little mint leaves, pop them in the glass. And a little squeeze of lime, or about 15 mils or so. Straight in there. Can be a little bit messy. Awesome. And we'll just give that a little bit of a muddle. We just want to muddle up these raspberry pieces just a little bit. We don't want to like smash them up. Just trying to run away. I'll pop back in there. Right now, get your jigger, the measuring guide, crack open your bottle of gin, and you just want to use 45 mils, so big side, 1, small side, 15. Tiny little dash of simple syrup. I might go over this just because I don't know. Epic. And Moondog Fizzer. Strawberries and cream. Feel it. Feel this bad boy. Look at that. And these leaves are going to rise up a little bit. I might pop another long stem in there. A long stem. Awesome. And a little pre-sliced lime wedgie. Let's make it just a little bit smaller actually. Cut it in half again. Doesn't need to be that big. Save money. Lime's actually really expensive, isn't it? Awesome! Look at that. Raspberry Gin Seltzer using this strawberry and cream flavoured seltzer. Super low in calories, really delicious. I'm gonna get into it. Cheers. I'm holding it so weird.